Welcome to another Mendeley Minute. In this episode, we'll show you how to create and collaborate in groups. To create a group, move your mouse to the Group section on the left-hand side of your desktop application. Then click Create Group. Enter information such as group name, and description, and select Privacy Settings. We'll make this group a private group, which enables you to share documents such as working papers and notes with your colleagues. You can also make public groups, which anyone can search and find online and follow. Every group has an overview feed showing recent activity, a Documents view, and a Members tab. Now let's invite some colleagues and add some documents to our group. To invite colleagues, simply click on the Invite button and input email addresses. To add documents, simply select the relevant files and drag and drop them into your group folder. Here's my new group after my colleagues have joined and added their own documents. Look at all the recent updates on my activity feed and my new documents. To view a document, simply double-click one. Annotations are shared among members of a private group, with each member's note showing up in a different color. You can also click on the Notes tab to see all the notes in one window. To export the PDF, click on File and select Export PDF with Annotations from the drop-down menu. A window will appear asking if you want to include article notes with the PDF. Press OK. Now the PDF, along with the annotations, is available on your hard drive. Open it and scroll to the end to see the annotation report. You can access your groups and create new ones on the web as well by clicking on the Groups tab. The same kinds of tools and functionality are available here. You can also find new groups to join and follow by searching in the Search field or clicking on a discipline of interest.